A very good morning everyone, Jorne here with another London session video. Today is the 17th of June 2022. Before I start, as always, I would like to highlight that this is not financial advice, this is just the way that I see the markets, and I would like to share with all of you. Yesterday in my New York session video, I did mention that this area was important. Yeah, I was actually looking for some bullish momentum over here because I knew that there was a gap area, and I thought that I will zoom a little bit in. I will zoom in. So, and there was a gap area. New York close, Asian session open. There was a gap area, and I thought that we could revisit this area to then trade higher. Yeah, that didn't happen, but something. So I did share a Euro USD sell opportunity. Went straight to stop loss, but then I mentioned immediately a buy opportunity, and this is the reason why. So if we broke here, so we did not respect this area, and the fact that we did not respect this area and we just broke through this area meant that we always had to come back, yeah, to mitigate this area over here. So when an institutional candle is not being respected and we just trade through the institutional candle, then we always wait for a pullback, yeah, into this area, the previous institutional candle or gap or whatever, yeah, that we trade back into this area, which is called mitigation, to then trade lower. And what happened now during then we can of course see the follow through. Unfortunately, our Euro USD trade ID, I think we missed it by a couple of pips, unfortunately. But yeah, at least we had a direction right. So what I'm looking at for today's session, yeah, we do have a low over here. We created yesterday the low at around 6:30 p.m. UK time. We can see now that we had here 3 consecutive bull candles before the sell-off, yeah, and these candles were trading into the mitigation area to then trade lower. And now prior to London Open, we spiked into this area and then traded lower. Yeah, we could see a spike into this area and we then trade low. So I'm now expecting a pullback, and I think that this area over here should be respected. This area over here should be respected to then trade lower. We can also see another gap area over here. New York session close, Asian session open, gap area. So I'm expecting now we'll pull back to trade back into this area. I'm especially interested in GBP USD. We can see same happened over here. Yeah, people that have been following me already for a while understand this setup. Yeah, we have a sell to buy, respected, upside momentum, trade down, respect this candlestick, and we trade it higher, expansion, and now we are trading back into this area. Right before the London Open, we traded into it and we expanded. So I'm now looking for a minor pullback into this candlestick over here. If we go now to the 5-minute, then we can see that we have a last bull to sell. Yeah, so I'm now looking actually for, after this expansion, to trade back into this area over here. So this can be a nice 1 to 4. We should normally target the high of the yesterday's high, but as we are still quite bearish fundamentally on GBP, might take profit for today would be over here. So this is definitely something that I'm looking at for today, guys. Same if we go to the XY, and if we fail to maintain this area, that means that we are again in a bullish momentum. So if we fail to maintain this area and we break through, then I will be looking for a minor pullback, same way that what happened over here. Looking for a minor pullback to then trade higher. Okay guys, hope this was useful. If you do have any questions, please reach out to me in the Discord. I will be more than happy to reply to all the questions. Have a good one, guys. Trade safe. Bye bye.